This is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. We have here a company, Road Surfer, which rents camper vans, motorhomes. They've been very successful. They've got points all over Germany and other countries as well. They managed to take a very large amount of vehicles from Westfalia, for example, and what we have here, we have a Westfalia model on the Ford Transit, and we can see from the rear here what we've got. They've got the rear, the corner kitchen, we've got the toilet down there, and very nice vehicle. However, they also have from other producers as well. Over here we have a Knaus Boxlife 541 centimeter long vehicle, which is also available to purchase from them for around 68,000 euros. And now this has been possible due to the fact that the company was able to raise a lot of cash on the financial markets. Now, over here we have a Volkswagen camper, standard camper. In fact, we'll come in here, nice colours, looks a bit retro. Walk in here, you can see you've got your kitchen block up there, your table, your fridge, your two burners, your sink, and you've got some storage underneath. You've got a rock and roll bed, ready to rock and roll, and this is what it looks like at the end. There's your external shower and a bit of storage. That's what it looks like. But this is the problem now, which I'm now going to discuss. This is a rental company. Now, those of us who are promoting van life promote clean living, in as much as we don't want to make a mess of the places we actually stay in at all. This is really, really important. At Park for Night as well, it's really strong on this about not making a mess of places. And Road Surfer, unfortunately, is renting vehicles without toilets in them. And there is that one there, that VW may look cool, it may look wonderful with that surfboard up there, but the problem is this, is that those of us who are full-time campers get a bad reputation by the lack of toilet facilities. Don't suppose that Road Surfers is also providing a shovel to dig a hole for the one's waste. So my argument here for Road Surfers is to get their act together and to only rent vehicles which have toilets in them, so the rest of us don't get a bad reputation from their clients. Thanks for listening.